Ibhola lethu, ibhola lomzansi namaphethelo. 1 Kaizer Chiefs, 0 Polokwane City. Ngiphethe out yami uSkara umzisi sizohlaziya igame yaFandag. Ugrand mfowethu.
Mnandi bro, afili.
Awuzweke mfethu.
Nice.
Hayi siyabona abafana abawinile, but I've got a question for you mfana. Do you think yiso isquad lesi ozolanda ngaso inyuku yeAfrica?
Sona yiso, but obviously kumele simixe na lama new players sikwazi ukubona ukuthi i-environment yase South Africa bazoyijwayela kanjani. Otherwise sabona iplay khona yonke into bayayenza.
Yeah. Is there mhlambe a new player esayiniwe recently bongafisa ukuyibona Fandag ozange uyibona?
Strike obviously target man ngiyashota ngayo. Ngoba manje uDuba obviously angeke sirely kuye kakhulu. Naye ukhona la nokukhathala khona, so kufuneka umuntu ozokwazi ukumphusha azi ukuthi naye makangenile egroundini khona umuntu ozothi makangenile next game nami ngangishaya.
Yeah. Because I saw Kaizer Chiefs creating a lot of chances, but akunamuntu oharasa ama-defender mhlawumbe ushaya that final kick nje ukuthi nani. So are you saying uNgcobo uyahluleka, I mean uDube uyahluleka kancane or mhlawumbe udinga umuntu ozomncedisa?
Ngithi uyahluleka bese because ukhona elokudlala and then both teams had ama-chances, so angeke sithi ngithi uhlulekile. Uzamile ulento uzayifaka effort. Obviously like mangekho kuwayikho kuwo, so sibonge nje ama-substitute because athe mawangena nawo azama ukushintsha igame of which into siyifunayo kube ne-healthy relationship towards i-football yethu yawo.
All right. But when as i-fan lekhosi, i-first half, second half, asiqale nge-first half, uyibone kanjani? Do you think i-Chiefs bebalanda or iPolokwane beyilanda i-Chiefs? How did you see the first half?
First half besifikele iPolokwane City because igame beyiphethe, even though beyishange low block ukwazi ukuthi sishanga ama-counter attack thina besikwazi ukuhlanganisa ama-touch, but manje i-final third yethu yebe sibhayizile. But second half at least sizamile ukurectify lezo zinto lezo. uMarco 2-3 experience yakhe nge-second half isipanele, no-Frosler naye experience yakhe azange abe greedy ukwazile ukuphasa uNdlovu nawo isipanele. So ngibonga nje i-substitute kakhulu yabo
ukuthi ekusebenzele.
Yeah, isipanele.
So going forward, do you think you're going to be winning most of our games wakho from bench, or would you rather mhlambe ufake uRiding uMarco over uCross going forward?
Mina ngaprefer uMarco over uCross because uCross I don't think ukuthi uyi-natural number 3 umuntu odlala le position leka banentoni uMakhith. So competition kumele compete nalabantu labo, then ku-3 sazi ukuthi sifaka uMarco, uShinga, uMashiyane, sifaka abantu then uCross abuyele kwi-4 and 5.
Yeah. And talking about uMcCarthy, njengentwana elikade ukudayile ngokupromote vele from i-DDC, siyambona uyadlala naku-Wits lena yama-University Varsity Cup. Do you think ufike wajela kamnandi kwisquad senu?
Ufike wajela yena mfethu because nothing ne-experience belayithola nje through lama-friendly game bekalibela wadlala awukhuphulile yena ngoba manje ngiyabona na uDudley uzoyithola i-competition. Makabuye uzobona ukuthi okay nami kumele ngifight angeke avele first line up nje.
Yeah. Because bengizwe uRiding egroupini akhomenta uRiding uyaya uyamkela athi makabuya uDudley rather kukhishwe uMiguel uGrand uMcCarthy. So are you seeing mhlambe i-combination kaDudley noRiding uMcCarthy?
Angeke sisha ama-left back ama-left eye 2 sebashayisa 4 and 5. Hayi bayagobeka kakhulu angeke baze bakhona. Alright uMiguel abe ne-competition nabo Msimango abukwenika abazi ukuthi okay abantu bakhe namakalimala kungena umuntu o-right, natural right, hayi ama-left eye 2 alapho singalimala kakhulu.
Yeah. And then talking about abantu abadlala off position, uRiding uLilep again ngiyazi last ngikubuzile ngoLilep, but ngimbone adlala kakhulu ewingini and nileka i-target man that. Don't you think mhlambe he's your guy to rush ama-defender laphayana kube huye because he's got the physique?
Yena makangaye ukuhlalela yini azama ungena egroundini because I think maybe uthembe ispeed sakhe that is wathanda ukudonsa ama-defender azimelela yini. So makangazama ukuthi yena angene nje abe neplay akhona ukungena assist aboDuba bephambi kwaboDuba. Mama kahlala epepline kanje sobona ngathi uyinkomo and untanga umnandi.
Yeah. And also lela goal lakhe that was nominated for a goal of the season bekadlelela inini wadla abantu then washaya net. Mhlawumbe is also hoping for that.
Yeah, sometimes iplay mangakuvumeli isuke ngakuvumeli iyafuna ukuthi mawukuthi uyabona ukuthi okay ngilipepile line angispaneli ithi ngizama ukungena
Yeah,
at
yeah.
least maybe kungenzakala something because vele lela goal lelo walithatha bamvumela wangena wazoshaya igoli.
Yeah.
So this time around sishaye low block la abantu bebamakile tight marking bashaya nge-counter attack so into ayikho into besoyenza even though enye into ke oyi-two ama-team they had their fair chances futhi-ke ilike yabakithi i-Kaizer Chiefs akwazi ukukora.
Yeah.
Sibona and vele-ke iPolokwane City sigcine kuyishaya maybe 2018 so
Yeah.
si-happy ngaloko mfethu.
So are you saying you're happy a lucky win?
Yeah, mina ngi-happy it shows ukuthi each and every small team nathi sokwazi ukuthi siyigurashe akusesenale nto ukuthi Chiefs azizozenzela even though bazozenzela but bayazazi ukuthi okay ngabazofayithela ama-points ekumele bawathole because abantu bebezela i-draw
Yeah,
but manje ilike yabanathi sakwazi ukukora.
So are you saying it was smart for coach because last year baye bafaka umfundo Vilakazi nge-last 15 washo wanyakazisa so it was smart of them ukuthi bangamfaki because studying igame ukuthi ihamba kanjani?
Mina bengimdinga kule game yaFandag-ke mara even though-ke ibuye yabanzimanyana thola ukuthi manje la bantu basimake ngakhona nathi kumele sidefende lokhu esinako.
Yeah.
Like enough-ke ibuye yaspanela njengoba ngisho ukuthi lento ispanele le ama-substitute wethu
Yeah.
abomakho experience yabo ispanele even though umfundo bengimfuna but manje uyabona benamanye ama-substitute ekube gcine kuba ama-force substitute because manje kulemele u-Cross maybe kumfundo bezongena lapho azama ukwenza umzamo but umakho naye wangena wakhona ukuphasa uPulemori washaya i-cross eshayela uLentuzo Frozo wakwazi ukubuyisela umdlovu. So yabona nabo simoncobe credit to that.
All right.
Yeah.
Bayakhuluma kabo siduma ngabanye bathi hayi siyayazi Chiefs ibambi umbrella. When it matters the most izowa drop ama-points then the other team will take i-league as always. What are you saying ngalokho?
Mfethu how you start i-league iba indlela egrand because ukuthola 6 points ku-2 games out of kule 10 years esisuka kuyo asikaze sishaye 2 games ilandelana kanje it means something shuthi khona okushintshayo khona okuzayo so ubambe umbrella vele noma ubani ayibambe umbrella but kungenzeka uyibambe umbrella uvule inethele emasayidi wine waya wathi ngithi pick up to ihudu sishayile phela.
Yeah. Okay then also heard ukuthi you signed uvele Bytes confirm indaba yakhona. Are you excited about that?
Yeah, I'm excited man. Hey, indaba yakhona ngathi yakhulumisa manje iTorres manje uyabona manje nathi sigcine sesingazi ukuthi kwenzekani but otherwise umntwana ngiyambona ukuthi naye ujabulile uba ku-Kaizer Chiefs so isikhulu sabo masingamdedela man.
Yeah.
Simdedela umntwana angadlala ibhola ngoba ufuna ukudlala ibhola.
Yeah.
Maybe angabuya nabo benzele something but akadedela intwana masifuna ukuvala.
Yeah. No officially vele sekasayinile sekusele nje isikhulu ngaye lasidedela inhliziyo. Ibhola lethu, ibhola lomzansi, ibhola lamaHotman, ibhola lama-sister, ibhola lomzansi namaphethelo. Kaizer Chiefs 1, Polokwane City 0. Mpethu Skara umzia out yami. We signing out. Siyabonga.
Sibonge.
Danko.